Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about coffee enemas, and I am going to cover three things. One, what type of water would you use? Two, what size bucket would you use? And three, what's the right enema coffee to use? First, you'd want to go with distilled water. That's the preferred choice. It's the cleanest, distilled. If you don't have that or can't get it, then the purified water is all right. Never use tap water. It has too many contaminants. So, next we'll talk about the size of the bucket. I have here a 1 quart Purelife glass bucket, and that's good for 1 coffee enema. This is the size you would need. But many people, they might go to a 1.5 quart or a 2 quart because they maybe are afraid they're going to spill a little bit when they're carrying their bucket. Or they could be doing volume enemas, which means volume water. And that means they want to do back-to-back enemas. And so they would use probably a 2 quart size. And these come in glass or stainless steel. Next is the Enema coffee. What I have here is a medium roast, and most people start with medium. The next strongest would be light roast, and the strongest after that is ultralight gold roast. So 3 levels of coffee, and they're all accepted by Gerson. So in review, distilled water is the water you'd use. The 1 quart bucket is a perfect size for 1 coffee enema, and start with medium roast coffee. You can go up to a larger size bucket, but never take in more than 4 cups of coffee at a time.